So I'm about to get ready to go. I'm having a chill day. I'm not really doing much. So I wanted to pull out this wig. I got this wig also from Wig Types. It's another Bobbi Boss wig. I really usually like the Bobbi Boss brand. And then I'm trying to explore a little bit more with this summer, you know, like be creative, play with my style and different stuff like that. So I purchased a gray wig and also a red one, but today I'm going to be doing a video about this gray one. So honestly, I'm sad to say it, but this wig, I don't really like it. For one, when I purchased the wig, I thought there was more black. There's literally only black like in the middle roots of this wig. So like, let me see. This is the front of the wig, like the roots in the front, the roots in the middle. But if you see all this hair back here in the back of the wig, there's really, oh, is that the front again? Yeah, that's the front again. There's really, it's all gray. So I thought the wig had like more black, and I thought the black came down just a little more so that it wouldn't be totally gray. Honestly, and then there's like no part in this wig, which I should have expected, because I went back and looked at the wig on the model and it didn't have like a faux part, or it's not lace front or lace closure or anything like that. So I don't like that, because that makes it look especially wiggy. And overall, I don't too much care for this wig. I don't think it was greatly constructed. Like when you put it on, like you can see this brown stuff like right here in the front, like that's how thin it is. This wig kind of reminds me of, you know, like when you were younger and you got a doll, and the dolls that don't really have like the full head of hair, and it's kind of like, I guess, stringy. That's kind of what like the front of this wig reminds me of. Or like costume wigs. This is more like a costume wig to me when I think about it, or like when I look at it. I just really don't like that in the front. If they were going to make it to where you could see like through, oh, I'm all up in the camera. If they were going to make it to like where if you put on the wig and you could see like that brown right there, they should have made that part black if that was going to be visible. So the cap to me should have been black. It's like a purplish brown color that you can really see. Y'all, I don't care for this wig, but since I purchased it and I got it online, I'm not really trying to go through the whole process of sending it back and stuff. So basically today I'm just going to try to throw it on and make it work. This will probably be the one and only time I wear this wig, unless I wear it as a costume. Yeah, so I don't know. We got to try to make something work with this wig. I don't know, y'all. I really don't like it. Like, look at that. Why is that showing through that purple brown color? That's a mess. That's in the front of the wig, y'all. Y'all see how easily you can see that in the front of the wig? That's a mess. And I just feel like, look how thin this is right here in the front. This goes in the front of your head and you can see this. Like, yeah, so, and then just so you guys know, this is the Bobbi Boss M898 Zelena Wig. This is what it looks like on the model. I should have knew, because it looks really wiggy right there, but you can't really see the brown parts on the wig. Oh, I see right here it says Safe Heat Styling, so that's cool or whatever. But yeah, I wouldn't purchase this wig again. But let's see if I can make it do what it do though. And then right now my hair is in like braids, like plaits, because I washed my hair last night. And so I'm just basically going to leave it like this. I'm not going to take them out, because I have another style that I'm going to do so that I can wear that all week while I'm at work. So, and I'll be recording that too, so you guys are going to see that hairstyle. So right now I'm just using like these little black bobby pins to like pin my braids up so that they're not hanging. Alright, I caught myself already trying to lay my edges. So, and then this wig is really curly, so I don't think like me having these lumps and bumps underneath is gonna matter. That's the front. Oh, these braids are big. So yeah, and the cap is kind of smaller than the other wigs that I purchased. So I would suggest, if for whatever reason you do go and get this wig, that you do braid your hair down flat. Cause yeah, since I have those plaits in my hair and the cap is kind of smaller. But you guys see what I mean? Look when I put on the wig. You see how you can see that? Y'all see that? Like that's not cute at all. Like you can see that little crap. Like that's stupid. But yeah, I look like a black storm, y'all. So I don't know what I want to do with this wig. I was thinking, so what I was thinking is maybe I'll take my scarf and wear my scarf across the front, like something like this. That clip didn't do much for me. Just to cover, you know how I said they had that little brown part. Excuse my underarms, y'all. But I'd rather show y'all my deodorant than be funky. Okay, thanks for nothing clip. Oh, I'm getting annoyed. Stay right there. I want to tie it in the back. And the wig doesn't have any combs. So that's something else as well, especially would have been a smaller cap. I wish it had clips to help it hold on. So anyways, that's that for now. So it's a no. So what I was thinking was I would take some pieces of this hair and do like the 2 ponytail. I know Brock is happy. He's out at work today. I don't think he would wanna walk around with me with this hair. So yeah, I was thinking of doing 2 puffs or 2, what do you call them, gladiator ponytails? This button needs to be tightened. And then I think I want to cut it and make the hair shorter. Why am I looking in the camera doing this first of all? That's the first mistake. I know I'm showing y'all, but I need to be looking in the mirror. So I'm just cutting it. I'm gonna make it shorter, like above my shoulders. yes, y'all, so I think this is how I'm going to wear it. So, you know, minimal makeup today. All I have is eyebrows and like a little bit of concealer with lip gloss. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell so that you can be notified anytime that I post a video. And you guys, tell me what you think of this hair. Just tell me how you think, what you think of the hair overall, and what do you think about what I did with the hair. Just let me know if you have any tips or anything else that you think I can do with the hair. Let me know down in the comment section. I'll talk to y'all later.